Welcome to IIT Tirupati, where innovation meets nature's beauty. Nestled amidst lush greenery, IIT Tirupati Campus welcomes you with open arms through its enchanting entry gate. Designed to blend seamlessly with its surroundings, our horticulture features intricate patterns and vibrant colors, creating an atmosphere of serenity and inspiration. But that's not all. During the rainy season, our campus transforms into a picturesque wonderland with rain-kissed foliage and refreshing breezes. As you explore further, you will discover ponds strategically placed to catch and harvest rainwater, showcasing our commitment to sustainability. Join us on a journey through the captivating environment of IIT Tirupati, where every corner tells a story of harmony between nature and innovation.